Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. I'm grade 5 science teacher, and today we started a new chapter, chapter number 4, and that is small creatures around. And in this chapter, we studied about the different types of small creatures and realized their importance. And we will analyze also the life cycle of a butterfly and the life cycle of a bee. So we started the chapter and we discussed about from page number 41 we started, and on page 41 you have got learning zone, how do small creatures help us. Now the small creatures include mosquitoes, flies, insects, spiders, ants, termites, bees, and cockroaches. Now sometimes we think that why God has created these small creatures, they are of so much harmful and they are so dirty, but Allah has created all the creatures for some or the other reason, and in this page you will study how will these small creatures help us. Now first of all, ants and flies, they are also considered very dirty, and sometimes we think why the flies are coming on our food, but ants and flies, they are they act as pollinators. And secondly, flies are helps in breaking down the dead tissues of other animals. Then let's discuss about mosquitoes. Mosquitoes although carry diseases, but they are very important for surrounding, because they keep a check on algae and bacteria that are present in water. Now let's come to spiders. Spiders are also insects. They look dirty, and some people don't like it also, but their function is, they work is that they keep a check on the number of insects in your home. They eat the insects, so they are very useful for us. They keep your home away from insects. Now what about cockroaches? Cockroaches are the most dirtiest insect, but they are useful for us because they feed on decaying matter, the matter that is finished, the unused material or the food that is rotten. So they are feeding on that decaying material, and they release they release nitrogen, which is very much useful for the plants. And they also are a very important part of the food chain. And then termites come. Termites are also insects. They recycle plant tissues. Then bees, you know that honey bees, they make honey, and they also produce wax that we use it in for our daily life. So you can see, so insects are so useful, and there are many insects and many animals in the wild also. They depend on insects for food. And the most important insect, silkworm prepare silk, that they keep it in their cocoons, and from this we make silk. And many insects also serve as food for certain human beings, like Chinese, they fry and eat many insects. So we studied about this. Then I have given the homework. You have to write, first of all you will write in the index chapter 4, small creatures around, then today's date, and then on the main page you will write question number 1, how do small creatures help us. You can write with blue pencil and ANS with red. And then we have studied small creatures, the name of the creatures and how they help. Spiders keep a check on the insect. Ants and flies helps in pollination. Mosquito keep a check on algae. Cockroaches releases nitrogen. Honeybee makes honey. Silk is obtained from silkworms, and termites recycle tissue. This you have to do in your copies. I have shared in your WhatsApp group also. And then on the blank page in front of this written work, you will draw 4 insects from page number 41 in your copy, but on the blank page. Thank you very much. This was your homework. Allah Hafiz.